My name is Ase Anthony, Otuke from Delta State. My song title is Holy Ghost Fire, and it goes like this. Holy Ghost fire, burn on my enemies, put them for gutter. Hmm. Holy Ghost thunder, scatter my enemies, put them for gutter. Yeah, cause I was born to enjoy life, but they want make us suffer, so I give them back to sender. Hmm. Holy Ghost fire, burn on my enemies, put them for gutter. Aye, yeah, aye, yeah, hey. Hmm. Oh, aye, yeah, aye, yeah, hey. Oh, they try to crucify me, but me I stand with Jesus. Oh, some come they fight me. Jehovah call them like Caesars. Yeah.